Hey guys, I'm Rob from Eureka, and this is Eureka's legendary Northern Breeze shelter. Provides protection from the sun, bugs, wind, and rain, and despite its large size, it's actually really easy to set up. And today, I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up the carry duffel and make sure you've got all your parts. For the Northern Breeze, you're going to have 4 roof poles with the curve, 4 leg poles without the curve, and then 3 awning poles here. Last is the Northern Breeze shelter body. Now we can start building. So the first step is to spread out the shelter body and identify some of the key components on it. The first thing you want to find, wrapped here in its own separate pocket, is the cast aluminum peak hub. That's where all your roof poles will connect to. After you've unrolled the shelter body and located the peak hub, you'll want to find the 4 eave shock cords as well to attach the roof poles. Your next step is to assemble the 4 roof poles, and these are the poles with the curve and the eave hook. Simply slide those together, all 4, and we can start building the roof. First step in assembling the roof is to slide the end of the roof pole over the eave hub. At the opposite end of the roof pole, hook the eave shock cord over the eave hook. And last, you'll want to attach the 2 roof clips to the roof poles and then repeat the last 3 steps for the remaining 3 roof poles. Now that the roof is built, you can start assembling the 4 leg poles. Once these are built, insert one end into the bottom of the roof pole. Along the bottom of the tent, you'll find 4 ring and pin assemblies. Each one of those gets inserted into the bottom of each leg. Now you can simply make your way around the tent, inserting the ring and pin assembly into the bottom of each leg pole. Now that the 4 leg poles are installed, you can make your way around the tent and attach any remaining clips. Now that the shelter is up, you want to make sure to stake down the 4 corners. In order to secure a structure this large, we provide 2 guy lines per corner. You attach them here to this guy out ring and then deploy them at a 45-degree angle. Now that the shelter's up, I'm going to show you how to deploy the front awning. First, you want to assemble your awning poles. The longer awning pole with 4 sections actually goes in the middle. You're going to want to unzip the 2 front gussets, detach the hooks here at the corner. The 2 slightly shorter awning poles go on either side and pull up the front awning. And then you need to attach the guy lines to the awning. And that's it for the Northern Breeze. A big, versatile shelter that, despite its size, is really pretty easy to set up. Get out there and enjoy it.